Hi guys, I'm Akanksha and as this is my first video तो please ज़रूर देखिए this video till the end and if you like it then do like the video and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get further notified.
I'm 1 year dropper. Let me brief you with my preparation strategy. In 11th I joined Akash and continued it in 12th also as a 2-year classroom program. As you all know, there were boards in 12th, so my prime focus was on boards. I focused on subjective questions and I read NCERT of 12th biology thoroughly. I gave NEET in 2020 and secured 517 marks. Then I decided to take a drop and preferred self-study rather than going into any other coaching institute. And I joined the test series of Ellen, Udan, NEET Prep, and what I believe that I had to focus only on that thing that I had rather than running behind any other thing. And about my question practice, so my mindset was that the mistakes that I had done in NEET 2020 preparation, I would not repeat those mistakes in NEET 2021 preparation. Like my biggest mistake was that my question practice in NEET 2020 was nil. So I had to do a lot of questions in NEET 2021 preparation. I had already set this my mind. Then talking about the test, I used to give test on a regular basis, on a weekly basis basically. I used to give those tests and I was very strict in this, whether I'm prepared for the test or not, whether I have covered my syllabus or not. I give the test, and what I used to do, I used to analyze my mistakes and jot down them in the analysis register. For festive days also, I used to study. Like on a regular days, if my study hours are 10 to 12 hours, then on festive days they would be 5 to 6 hours, just to have a satisfaction that I had studied, and I also used to enjoy it. Then in the last time revision, what I did, I focused on the NCERTs of biology and on modern physics NCERT and organic chemistry. About inorganic chemistry, I used to read it from Akash module, which I was doing from starting onwards. So I just cross-checked from NCERT whether there is any point missing. Twice or thrice I have cross-checked, verified it. So I used to do inorganic from my module. And then this was about inorganic. I had made the flashcards also of those topics which I found difficult to remember or I used to forget frequently. And you during your preparation you get to know about your strengths or weaknesses. So just in last 2 to 3 months, just focus on your weaknesses and side by side, please focus on your strengths also, because sometimes there may be chances if you are giving more time to your weaknesses without focusing on your strength, you might lose hold on your strong topics also. And then about my last month revision, what I did, I started giving my test on a regular basis in week, twice a week, and analyze them very thoroughly. And I used to give time to physics formulas. I basically prominently give time to physics formulas in the last month of my revision, and inorganic chemistry also. Like whenever I used to wake up, I used to give 1 to 1.5 hour to inorganic chemistry, and in one day I used to take like one group only. If we say P block comprises from group 13 to group 18. I used to do group 13 on one day, group 14 on other day. I just do one group only on one day, just not to get things mess up in my mind. And other, I used to take up other topics also from inorganic chemistry, like S block with 13 group, or hydrogen with 14 group. 15th and 16th group I used to do alone only, and 17th group, along with 17th group, I used to take metallurgy. And in last 15 days, what I did, I just I had gone through my flashcards. NCERT of biology, I have read the chapters, main chapters that are of high weightage, like a reproduction unit or a genetics unit and ecology unit. And in 11th, morphology, anatomy, they are very confusing chapters. And human physiology, plant physiology, they are all very important also for from NEET point of view. In last week, what I did, I just focused only on the highlighted points in case of biology, what I had highlighted in my NCERT, plus what I had written the extra content in the space given in the NCERT. This I had done. Then I had gone through the modern physics NCERT, the short modern physics NCERT, and the short notes that I had made of the chapters. I had gone through them, and the flashcards, of course.